Hi guys, I'm sorry I did not speak in the cooking portion of this. It's because I was making it for my friends at work, and I did not want them to think that the secret ingredient was saliva. It's really not. It's secret ingredient is Maggi. I use this in everything. I love this. Let me see if you can, yeah. So yes, we can skip that one. Other ingredients that I used was, I know you saw these. I used half a cup of each, or not half a cup, but half a bottle of each. I used a tablespoon of mojo, and I used a tablespoon of some Haitian épices. Key, guys, major key alert. All right, and I put this in legit everything. Minced garlic. That's why I have a huge tub. I use it everywhere. I mean, not everywhere. I use it on everything. The butter I used, oh, okay, a tablespoon, you know. The butter I used, Country Crock, or what is it? Yeah, Country Crock. I used several tablespoons of cayenne pepper, maybe 3, because it's not good if it's not spicy. You need a kick. I also used some of this, some brown sugar, Grow Mates, because it kind of softens up the kick, you know, so it's not like a Jet Li kick, but something like a Jackie Chan kick. I use salt, garlic, and pepper to salt my water for the pasta. And for my, what is it? For my ricotta cheese mix, guys, I used ricotta cheese. And I used Laughing Cow. I used Laughing Cow. I used the garlic herb one, but you can use the original. You can use whichever one you want. I think it just makes it more delicious and more creamy. And I chopped up a little bit of spring mix to go with the ricotta cheese to give it some beautiful color. And that's like a great way of making your men eat their vegetables. So that's what I did. The meat that I used was 90%, the beef was 90% lean and 10% fat. And the sausages that I used was hot Italian sausage. And everything turned out well. Everybody told me that they liked it. Try it at home. Try it for your man. Try it for your, well, I don't know about your children, because it's kind of spicy. Everybody told me it was pretty spicy, but then again, use this little guy to your liking, or just don't use this guy at all. You can use the hot sausage, or you can just use a mild Italian sausage. You know, you could, yeah, it could be kid friendly. Yeah, that'll work. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's all I pretty much used and did to my Haitian lasagna. Okay, most Haitians make this on their own. I could make it. I know how to make it. I'll make a video if you guys want me to, of me making my Haitian épices. But it's so much easier and cheaper to just buy it. So I just bought it. So yeah, that's it, guys. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, join the Lala gang. Be on my team, guys. No, that was horrible. I gotta think of a better outro. But for now, like and subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know if you tried it and if you liked it, and if you feel like there are other things I could have added to this lasagna to make it bomb. If there are things that you add to your lasagna to make it bomb, leave it in the comments. Help me out. All right, bye guys.